Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. Should you have a CPU governor on your computer? Well, what a CPU governor is this. At the top right, you can see that I can run my CPU in a on-demand mode, which is basically normal mode, a power saving mode, a performance mode, or a more of a smart performance mode that still gives you a lot of power saving value. So every time I go into a game, for example, I always put it into schedutil. That's like the most optimal profile that you can use. But basically, CPU governors are mostly just made for Linux. And I suggest that if you're running Linux, have a CPU governor. It could easily make your computer at least 10% faster. It is a bit like underclocking your CPU or GPU to get a bit of extra performance. And why shouldn't you? You know, it's just basically being smart about it. So I think that with, what's it called? I think that like with the new AMD CPUs, the Ryzen 5000 CPUs, I think they do a lot of this CPU governing behind the operating system in the BIOS, so you don't have to do it. You could still possibly get a bit of extra performance doing this, and especially on Linux. I think it's also possible to do this on Windows and other systems, but you kind of had to look into that yourself. But you just basically write CPU governor how to, something like that in Linux, and then you get, you know, a guide like this on how to do it. It's really that simple, and it's a bit like going in Windows, and instead of having it on power save, you just put it on high performance. It's a bit like that, just a bit more sophisticated than that. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys. This is a cool tip, not just for playing games and generally making your PC faster, but also if you have a streamer. There's no reason why not to do this when you have a streamer, because it makes it more reactive, and when it's more reactive, it's faster, and you would probably get like a tiny increase in sound performance. So I hope that helps you guys, and remember to like and subscribe.